So welcome friends. In this video we'll learn how to remove all the videos that are coming in the watch later list at once. Means at one click of button all the watch later videos will be removed. Okay. So to do this you need to log into your account of YouTube, whichever account you are using. We are showing you on the desktop or PC. This facility is available on the mobile. This is not available. So after login you will see left side, you will see that watch later is available over here. So if you go to watch later, all the videos that are available in the watch later list will display here. So all the videos that you have watched will be removed at one click of button. If you see here, there are three dots are available on the laptop or desktop version of YouTube. It is not available on the mobile. So it's this facility is not available. So just click over the three dots here, and if you click remove watched videos, okay, if you click watched videos from here, just confirm by clicking on remove. So all the videos that has been watched will be removed from the watch later category. Okay, so let's just refresh it. Okay, and see what's available over here. So you see that no videos are available over here, and yeah, all the videos has been removed from the watch later list. So in this way you can remove all the watch later means videos that you have watched. If you have not watched any of the videos, those will not be removed. Okay, so this is available on the laptop or desktop version of the YouTube. You can do it in this way. So this is all. Thank you very much. I hope the information was quite good for you, and if you liked this information, just like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you very much.